Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare avala adgai or an instant gooseberry pickle. Coming to the ingredients, I have used only 4 to 5 gooseberries. You can even use more. So accordingly, if you are using more, accordingly you have to adjust the other ingredients. So 2 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon mustard dal, 2 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon asafoetida, boiled and cooled water, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. First, you have to wash the gooseberries and cook them in water. Once done, drain the water and cut the gooseberries as shown. Discard the seeds and keep it aside. Now, add red chili powder and salt to a mixer grinder and just give one turn of your mixie, adding 2 tablespoons of boiled and cooled water. Add this to the cut gooseberries and mix well. Add asafoetida, mustard dal, boiled and cooled water and mix well. The pickle is thick. If the pickle is thick, you can add more water accordingly. Finally, add coconut oil, that is fresh coconut oil, and mix well. Your avala adgai or instant gooseberry pickle is ready to be used. Shelf life is 2 to 3 days at room temperature or 2 weeks in refrigerator. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.